Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn how to use the Extrude and Fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create this sketch here. Here will be a construction line in the center. So this line here, 12.5 millimeters. The angle between this line here and the construction line, 45 degrees. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. And the length of this line here, 5 millimeters. So here we have a line with 2.5 millimeters. And we have an arc here with 2.5 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Open the Fusion. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a construction line. Make a construction line here with 10 millimeters. And select the line again, but remove the construction line type. Make this sketch here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 12.5. The angle between this line here and this line here is 45 degrees. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this line here. And go to constraint again, select coincident, select this point and this line here. And here go to sketch dimension. This line here has 5 millimeters. And we have a line here with 2.5 millimeters. And this arc here has 2.5 millimeters of radius. We made this. Let me move this dimension here. Now go to create, select mirror. Select this line here. And the mirror line is this construction line and press OK. We made this profile, so finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 10 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 10 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this. Now we will make this cut here in this body. So to create this cut, we needed to create a circle with 3.175 millimeters of radius. And the distance between the center of the circle and this face here is 3 millimeters. And here we have two lines, a rectangle here with 3.65 millimeters of distance. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Go to create, select the project, include the project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select the circle, make a circle here. Go to sketch dimension. The diameter of this circle here is 6.35 millimeters of diameter. And move this a little bit. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this circle and this line here is 3 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical. Select this point and this circle. Now select line, a construction line. Make a construction line here. And make another line here with 3.65 millimeters of length, and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and this point here, and select line. I will hide the project geometry here a little bit. Take this line here and make a line between this line and the circle. And Add a reference here, 2 millimeters. We made this. Now finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile, and the direction symmetric, the measurement whole length, the distance here, select all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this. Now we'll make this fillet here. So to create this fillet, we will use the full round fillet to create this. So go to fillet, the type, select full round fillet, the center face, select this face here, and add selection set, and select this face here, and press OK. We made this. Now to finish this exercise, we needed to create these two circles. In the top face, the circle has 2.5 millimeters of radius, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 5 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face, and select the circle. Make a circle here with 5 millimeters of diameter, and create another one here on this side with 5 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension, the distance here 5 millimeters, the same for this one, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint, select this point and the midpoint. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this circle, and the extended type, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. We made this. Now I will add some color here. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.